still is an amazing person. He worked a lot. He worked to provide for his family, but he also made time for the family. I admire my father, or as I call him, my papa.
Well, he's a wonderful man. He adores me. He would do anything. And for their kids too. For everybody. But the kids, they were number one.
It was a slow progression in the beginning. It was just mostly memory impairment as far as forgetting things, not being able to remember where things were, repeating themselves. So it was very difficult to swallow the fact that my father at the age of 63, who recently retired, had Alzheimer's.
It was hard because little by little, Tony was disappearing. Break my heart.
When the Perriellos came in to see us, they were overwhelmed. They were in crisis.
They were struggling so much with what was going on. And you could tell the love that they had for Tony in the first conversations with him, and they were hurting.
It was a very stressful time in our life before we met Rachel and Kathy. We were in the midst of trying to figure out what to do as far as the progression of his disease and our financial situation, making sure to take care of him as well as my mom.
We looked at what we could do to help the family, and we got some help in the home, which worked off and on, but Tony's disease kept progressing. The next step then was to look for a long-term care placement that was close enough, and that was found, and he was admitted, and we've worked to get him, as adjusted as we possibly can.
We were able to get the care needs assessed and under control. Then we were able to take a look at the legal, get their documents properly prepared, get a Medicaid application in and processed, and we were able to get them taken care of.
They helped us along the process with getting everything in order financially and with the assets so that my father was okay as well as my mom.
Tony has adjusted as well as Tony's ever going to adjust. And I think Stefania has a huge comfort level of where he is now. I think she's sleeping at nights, and I think that I have to work with Stefania and get her back into life now and adjusted to life without Tony at home.
The Kabb Law Firm was there for us straight from the beginning. It's just nice to know that there's somebody out there that cares. They take care of you like your family, and they make sure that not only the patient, so to speak, is okay, but the family members are too.
I think the Kabb Law Firm takes care of clients and seniors in a very holistic way.
We incorporate the care aspects of elder law with the legal and financial aspects. And the reason for that is that the care really drives, what happens financially and legally. It's so much more than just practicing law. It's also providing care and helping families through the long-term care maze. Really, it's about building a relationship, and whatever that family needs, that's what we do for them.